Create products, manage your store, and track your business performance all in one place with the Instant Website Builder app by websites.co.in.
From the home screen, tap Add Product or Services. Start by adding a product image. You can upload your own image or generate one directly within the app. Next, choose the product type. You can select either a physical product or a service. For this example, we'll select physical product. Now choose the product condition. Available options include new, used excellent, used good, and refurbished. We'll select new. Enter your product title and description. You can also use AI-generated content to help create your description. Next, select a category. Here, we've chosen milkshakes. Choose your preferred currency from the available options and set the price. Now enter the available inventory. Under discount type, you can choose no discount, percentage, or absolute. If you're offering a percentage discount, simply enter the required value. Once everything is ready, scroll down and tap Submit. And that's it. The product has been successfully added to your website. Now, let's open the website and select View All Products. As you can see, our newly added product is already listed on the website. Back in the websites.co.in app, open the menu and select Analytics, followed by eCommerce Analytics. Here you can quickly view your sales overview, including total orders, total revenue, today's orders, and unpaid orders. You can also track order statuses to see how your orders are progressing. And finally, the top-selling products section helps you identify which products are performing best.
Start building your online business today with the Instant Website Builder app by websites.co.in. Download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store and get started for free.